Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the show. Today, we have our special guest here. Thank you so much for coming today. So I have some questions for you. Okay. Well, so you're an electrician. What exactly is it that you do?
Okay, first of all, thank you very much for hosting me today.
Of course.
My profession is an electrical technician, right? So basically what we do is we service households, factories, companies, just anywhere that power is needed.
Okay.
We service those areas.
Okay. That's interesting. Yeah. So, did you want to be anything else before you became an electrician?
Yes, very much. I got, I'm college certified as a travel consultant.
Okay.
And as a tour guide. That was my first venture when I finished secondary school.
Okay.
So an electrician came afterwards, later on.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, what drove you to become an electrician specifically?
Honestly speaking, it was curiosity.
Okay.
I got curious. I mean, how does it work? And then by time I got into it, I got into books about electricity, production. And then I said, well, maybe I could try, being an electrician. But when I started, I didn't know, it will grow as it has done to become a career, First, in the beginning, it was just curiosity, how it works. Then I ventured into it. I found it's part science in itself, electrical production and, distribution and all what it contains. Then by time, it grew into me. I changed what I was doing by then, and I became a full-on electrician.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's really quite interesting. And how long have you been an electrician for?
I would say the last 16, 17 years.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah.
So you've been doing it for a while.
Yeah.
Okay, that's really interesting. So how did you learn to be an electrician?
Well, as I said, after my curiosity, then I had to upgrade, And then I went to training schools. I did studies. I had field work. I went for training. And later on, I got certified to be an electrician.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, actually, we're going to be cutting to a feature in a bit, and then we'll be back and I'll ask you more questions.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. We'll be back.
Electristas. Oh! Everything as it should be.
Hello, welcome back. Thank you so much. Welcome back. So we saw a feature over there about, I guess, what it's like to work in your field, you know, like an average day. So, like, are you happy with your job?
Good question. Very happy with my job. I can't see myself doing anything else,
Okay.
surely,
Yeah.
because it's become part of me. So
Okay.
it's really hard now to change. Yeah.
And where do you work?
Currently, I'm posted at the waste facility,
Okay.
Matab, so not far away from here.
Okay.
So I'm a plant technician there.
Okay. And have you always been working with WasteServe, or was it?
This is my second year.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how many like different places have you gone like working as an electrician before you came to WasteServe?
I've worked in few places. I've worked at the airport. I've worked at Electrofix,
Okay.
and a bit of outposts. You know, just
okay.
not permanently, just as an outpost.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what's your specialty? Like when it comes to being an electrician, what's like you would say your favorite thing to like do in the job?
As an electrician, it involves a lot of things. You could be a technician. You could be an installer. You could whatever. You could be just monitoring.
Okay.
But my favorite is installation, installing.
Yeah.
Yeah, maintenance and testing.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's great. And that is all of the questions I have for you today. Thank you so much for coming once again. And to the viewers, have a nice day or night or whenever you're watching this. And we'll see you.